There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls.
Hello guys, welcome back to another all day extreme clean. I have a ton of cleaning motivation in today's video, so do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget.
Okay, so I am starting out in the front room today, just doing a quick pickup, whizzing around and just putting everything back where it belongs and getting everything nice and tidy.
New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown.
So before I do too much cleaning in the front room, I wanted to just make each room nice and tidy. So I've now headed through into the kitchen and I just need to put a few bits away and then do the washing up that's left. Luckily there wasn't too much to do, just a few cups and stuff. So I'm going to crack on with that, wipe down the sides, make everything nice and clean, and then we can head back through into the front room.
Now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life, go on now. Chase your dreams. Every scene, go on now. Be good, be fine. Live your life. Live your life.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get old.
So next I'm going to go in and do the oven. I'm not doing the whole thing, but whenever I open the door, this just drives me mad. It's so disgusting, and there's just a load of dust build up in the back as well. So this definitely needs a good scrub. So I'm just going to go in with the Pink Stuff paste, get all of this scrubbed out and nice and shiny.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires.
And this is what it looks like afterwards. I just love that stuff. It's so easy to use and you don't have to do too much scrubbing. So definitely recommend it if you need to do your oven as well.
It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars made of stars up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Moving on was never harder with knowledge of all the things I leave behind. I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun.
I'm now going to go in and finish off this Summer Berries Sephora. It smells so good. I'm just going to go ahead and fill the sink up with that and some hot water, and just go around wiping down all of the cupboards and drawers and just getting everything disinfected and smelling gorgeous.
I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Only days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. But I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control and take the long way home.
Say you think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the
Once I have the kitchen nice and clean, I'm just going to head back through into the front room and give it a good dust and hoover. I love dusting and hoovering. I feel like it just makes the room feel 10 times cozier, but I do like to have the rooms like clean first, so that's why I stopped halfway through, done the kitchen, but now I can just head back and make everything feel nice and cozy.
I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it
I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out. Forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle.
Okay, so I'm now moving through into what I think is the most forgotten area in my house, and that is the staircase. So I'm just going to go in with some multi-purpose spray and give all of the skirting boards and everything a good wipe over, because these get so dusty and gross and I just leave them for way too long. So I'm going to go in, give them a good wipe over, and then we can hoover the stairs and just go from there.
I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it.
And the final thing I need to do today is just sort out my bedroom, get rid of any washing, and just make the bed so it's nice and cozy. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it's given you the motivation that you came looking for. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if it did, and also consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys back here in the next one.
Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterday.